Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Creative 47 YouTube channel. What I'm getting ready to do is make a Valentine's Day wrapping paper for a gift. So what I already do, I already designed it. I'm not going to go step by step because I don't really have time, but I just want to come on and show you what I've been doing. If you want me to do a video step by step, just put yes in the comment box, and if I get up to 50 people who say yes, then I will do it. You have to subscribe, you have to click the notification button. That way when I do it, you'll be able to get notification that the video is up. But it's only if I get 50 people who wants to learn how to do this. So let's get started. So like I said, I already designed it, but I will tell you, if you want to get the background image, you go over to elements and you just type in Valentine's Day background, and it'll bring you up these. I will just click the photos one right here and see all, and then it'll give you a list of different backgrounds here. So since I've already got my background, I already typed in the words that I want and placed them where I want it, and put my image in the front, making sure it's in the center. Now this is an 8.5 by 11 paper because the box is 6 by 4. So this will be perfect for the box. So all I'm getting ready to do is go to share, download, and the size is PNG, and I'm in Canva Pro. It's PNG, and the resolution is pretty high, but you can raise it up if you want to, but I'll just keep it at the 25 and the 19. So I don't need to do transparent background because it's already a pink, but if I did transparent, it would take the background, red background, away from it, so I don't want that. Now if you notice at the bottom that I have 4 designs here. I only want the last one. So right here where it says select pages, page 1 through 4, I'm going to click on it and do select all and uncheck all of them and type in the number 4. And then if I scroll down, it's already checked. So all I have to do is done, download, and another box is going to come up for me to give it a name, so I can put it on my desktop or whatever folder you want to put it in. So I already have it, so I put it on my desktop. So all I'm going to do is just say save, and since it's already there, it's going to ask me, do I want to replace it? I'm just going to say yes, just for you, but it's already there. So now it's already there, and here go right here. I'm gonna double click on it. I had to bring it over because it was on the other screen. So all I'm going to do is just right here where it said print, I'm going to use my 8500 Epson 8500 right here, and it's trying to recognize. Okay, so now it's pull it up. It's going to be in landscaping. It's going to be, I need to put it, I'm going to put the paper in the rear feed, the rear tray. I'm not going to do glossy paper or anything. Well, I'm gonna do it the semi-glossy here. Yeah, I will do the photo paper semi-gloss. That's what I use for all my glossy paper, is photo paper semi-gloss. And I'm going to keep the full page. I'm gonna keep the fill page. Then I'm gonna click on this more settings here. And I don't know what your settings are because of what printer you have, but this is what mine does. So I'm doing print one side, landscape, and I'm gonna go down to where I see output quality. Now I say normal, but if I want it to be better, I'll click on high quality. But the paper that I use is so good that I don't need extra quality for it. It already quality within itself. And I will put the description, the paper I use, down in the description box, which I probably have some already down there, but this one I know I forgot to buy this with the other group of the koala paper that I put down in the description. So the color borderless is on. Sometimes when I use glossy paper, borderless come on for some reason, but if you don't want it borderless, you can just click on that arrow and turn it off, but I'm going to keep mine on. So now I'm ready. I'm just going to check again. Everything is good. So I'm going to click OK. And since I already printed it, I'm just going to go ahead and just come out of here, and then we're going to meet you. I'm going to meet you at the craft table when we put it all together. So I'll see you in a minute and meet you over there. Bye. Okay, so we're back at the craft table, and my printout printed perfectly. There's no bleed in it. There's no smearing of the ink. In the beginning, it was smearing of the ink. That's because I had it on a setting that wasn't compatible to this paper. Even when I did black, even when I print out all black, it doesn't smear at all. So we get ready to wrap. You see how glossy that is? Let's get to wrapping this paper. So this is a box that I just found. I mean, I had bought something and I said I was going to use this box to show you what I'm doing. So I'm just going to lay it here, just like wrapping paper, just like you do a Christmas wrap, birthday wrap, or whatever. But with this, you want to make sure that the image is on the front, like centered. So that's okay. That's fine. You can put a piece of tape there so it won't move around, because this one keep moving around. Oh, and it's not glossy on the other side. It's just plain matte on the other side. And I like that too as well. Because you can make these gift wrapping paper for any occasion, you know. Baby shower, you know, birthdays, graduation, Christmas, Mother's Day. Mom would like her picture on a box, a gift box. Yes. And you have a beautiful Valentine's Day box. All right. So thank you for watching. Like I said, if you have any comments, just put them down below. I will put everything that I use to make these down in the description box. I will have something else coming up soon, so please subscribe or you will miss it. It's really, really good. And I will try to do a video once a week to bring you all the stuff that I have been writing in my ideal book for a long time. And now I'm getting ready to 2025 is going to be the year that I put out all these videos that I promised you guys way back. I'm getting ready to put them out. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification button, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.